Hello folks, welcome to Programmers Mode. In today's video we'll explore how to utilize HTML5 and CSS3 tags for SEO optimization. HTML5 and CSS3 tags have enormous potential for improving the SEO of your website. Understanding how to use these tags, meta tags, attributes and other elements can help you significantly improve your website search engine ranking. In this video, we will look at HTML5 and CSS3 tags and their role in SEO optimization using practical examples to ensure that your website ranks high when crawled by Chrome or say other search engines. This is the flow in which we are going to cover the topics from meta tags to types of it and leveraging HTML5 semantic tags, how to optimize images and media, schema markup for enhanced SEO, and some case studies. Understanding meta tags and their impact on SEO, meta tags provide valuable information to search engines and users. Let's explore key meta tags and how they influence SEO. Here first comes meta description. Meta description helps you create concise summary of your page's content, incorporating relevant keywords to attract search engine rankings and entice users to click through to your website. This is the example for the same, wherein under meta tag we have name, wherein we give the name of that tag and we specify the content with respect to it. Second comes meta keywords. Although their importance has waned, including relevant keywords as meta tags can provide additional context for search engines. This is the example for the same. Next comes meta robots. Guide search engine crawlers by setting values such as index or follow to ensure proper indexing and crawling of your content. This is the example for the same. HTML5 includes semantic tags, which assist search engines in understanding the structure and significance of your content. Using these tags correctly improves your website's visibility in search results. First is header tags. Use H1 as the main heading and H2 and H6 for subheadings to create a hierarchical structure for your content. In order to improve SEO, incorporate relevant keywords in that. This is the example for the same, wherein H1 tag resembles the main title of the page and H2 resembles the subtitle of that page. Next comes section, article and aside tags, that too are coming under semantic tags. Use section tags and distinct sections, article tags for individual content and aside tags for supplementary information to organize content semantically. This improves search engine comprehension. This is the example for the same, wherein under section we are following article and aside tag, where article tag is used for individual content and aside tags are for supplementary information. Next comes images and media optimization. Here we have HTML5 and CSS3, which includes the techniques for optimizing images and media for better SEO. Here first is alt attribute. To provide alternative text for images, use the alt attribute in the image tag. Including relevant keywords in alt text improves image search engine understanding and visibility. This is the example for the same, wherein under image tag we are mentioning alt attribute. Next comes video and audio tags. You can embed media on your website using HTML5's video and audio tags, right? SEO is improved by optimizing these elements with relevant description, captions, and transcripts. This is the example for the same. Next comes schema markup. Implementing schema markup with HTML5 tags helps search engines to understand your content better. It allows rich snippets to be displayed in search results. This increases clicks and improves SEO visibility. Let me show you. So, suppose we hit Walmart in Google. So, instead of just a link to your home page, you can see here it is listing careers pages links, all departments, or some links to the websites pages, which is more important that Walmart wants us to visit. This is the example for the same. Under script tag, we are defining a schema wherein we are defining context, its type, its name, its description, and all of the content that it should contain, like brand, image, offers, like that. Next comes the case studies. Now let's see some studies. As you can see here, many websites or many startups have been utilizing the SEO optimization techniques with respect to the videos, images, content, or say posting markup cases. So let's explore this one. So as you can see, Eventbrite is the world's largest technology platform. Their search engine optimization team began using event structure data on their website in 2015. So it basically resulted into 100% traffic growth, like from Google search to event listing pages, according to Google Analytics. You can go through all the relevant case studies here, and you can take motivation and ideas from this website to implement it for your websites. Okay, so for this video, that is all. We will meet again in next video with an interesting topic. Until then, take care and thanks for listening.